This video is a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process of how to link your portfolio. Open your Investmates app to the home screen. At the bottom of the page, click on the Wealth icon. After navigating to the Wealth screen, click on the Link Account button. In next screen you will find the types of assets you can link as shown on the screen. You can either link accounts automatically or manually. If you click Link Accounts automatically, you can go to this page where you can select your account. You will now redirect to the next steps as shown on the screen. If you click Link Accounts manually, you will reach this page where you fill in each criteria that it asks. Now you need to select asset type, enter all required information in the fields as shown on the screen. If you want to upload a CSV file, then you need to select as shown on the screen. If you want to upload a CSV file, then you need to select Upload CSV tab as shown on the screen. You will now find an option to upload CSV file from your device. If you want to check the template for CSV file, you need to click on Download Sample CSV button. Thank you for watching the video.